Hi everyone, welcome back to Law with Dunk the Law Guy, and we're on day 22 of the Case a Day series, where at least from Monday to Friday I will go over legal cases relevant to criminal law, tort law, contract law, and the English legal system. Today though, before I go over any case, I want to quickly talk about some goals and my motivation for doing this. Recently I happened to have some good conversations with a couple of my students in passing about this, and it got me to have a think about this project moving forward. First, I want you all to know that I am really grateful for all the support so far. It really does mean a lot. Ultimately, I do this for two reasons. Firstly, I enjoy it. I find this to be a lot of fun, which, as you know, I probably take too far with all my costumes. And secondly, I think I might have some skills and some experience that can help someone in need. My goal is that the Law Guide project grows and grows and grows until it's considered as a go-to resource and mentioned in every law classroom across the country for years to come as the online place to go and learn about law. And I'm willing to spend a lifetime pursuing that dream. But I want to measure any progress too, and for that I should probably have some goals. So I'm going to ease off on some new costumes, break some out every once in a while, maybe create some unlockable characters too. That was a brilliant idea from a student of mine today, so I can't take credit for that. Maybe if I ever hit 300 followers, I'll show you Dunk Dogan. A bit embarrassing, but it's loosely based off Hulk Hogan with Dunkamania running wild. You can see I'm a massive wrestling fan there. Maybe if I was to hit 500 followers, you'll see Professor Dunkledore. Again, I'm super embarrassed right now with both of those examples. And if I'm ever lucky enough for 3,000 people to believe in this and they're all willing to put up with me, and my face and my voice, there will be a special law guy forged from iron. You can probably see where I'm going here, where he'll tell you his name, click his fingers, and then say that he loves you all 3,000, which he does. So as much as I'm just enjoying this process, I do want to stop every once in a while and say a big thanks to you all for the support. It really does mean a lot, and hopefully onwards and upwards, and hopefully people are being helped with their studies along the way, genuinely. Also, feel free to drop any case requests in the comments section, and I'll get round to doing them if I can. Joe and Alex, though, I know you want me to do RV Brown and RV Tabberson, and I will when I'm ready. Now, back on to cases. Today, I'm going to continue to focus on the Finn School Rule and how it doesn't break the chain of causation by looking at the case of R.V. Hayward, 1908. I don't stress this case to my students. I might use it for a one-off activity, but that's about it. However, if you want to use it, then go for it. It will boost your AO1, your knowledge and understanding. It's just with the linear A levels, there is quite a bit of content, so you have to make it a decision. You have to make a decision, and prioritize your cases, really. You have to make a decision what's best for you. Now on to R.V. Hayward, 1908. In this case, Hayward, the husband, chased his wife, who was the victim, down the street after having an argument with her. She fell to the floor and died. He didn't physically touch her, but he had been shouting threats towards her. Neither the wife or the husband knew of the wife's condition, which was an abnormal thyroid gland. Emotional distress combined with physical exertion accompanied with an abnormal thyroid gland could lead to death. The husband was found guilty of the unlawful act manslaughter of his wife. His assault caused her death. His unlawful act caused her death. And there was no break in the chain of causation. He had to take his victim as he found her. And that's it for today. Thank you from Law with Dunk the Law Guy, and I'll see you Friday.